Hi everyone. So today we are going to solve this question. The name of the question is minimum number of operation to make array XOR equal to k. Okay, so this question was recently asked in a LeetCode contest. So what we have in the question, you are given a zero index integer array nums and a positive integer k. In one operation, you can choose any element and from the array and flip its binary representation. Means flipping a bit means you can flip 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. It will count as one operation. So we have to return the minimum number of the operations such that XOR of all the value present in the nums will be equal to k. Okay, so let me give you one example. So we have to flip the bit of some number, not necessarily we have to flip, or we can flip in order to make the XOR of the whole array equal to k. So let me write the binary representation of each number. For 1 it will be 0 1 0, for 2 it will be 0 1 0, for 1 it will be 0 0 1, for 3 it will be 0 1 1, and for 4 it will be 1 0 0. If we perform XOR of whole of this array, what we will get, let me scroll down a bit. Okay, so 0 XOR 1 is 1, 1 XOR 0 is 1, 1, and 1 XOR is 0. So at the last position we will get 0, and in the second last position 1 XOR 0 is 1, 1 XOR 0 is 1, 1 XOR 1 is 0. From here what will I get? 0 XOR 0 is 0, and 0 XOR is 1, 1 XOR 0 1. So this is I'm getting, and the value of k is 1, and if we write the k in binary representation it will be 0 0 1. Now you can see there is a difference between both the number, it is not equal. So we have to modify this number in such a way that after performing XOR of the complete array, it will give a result that is equal to this k value. Okay, so let me start from comparing from the last position. This is 1, this is 0, and to make this 0 1, what I can do, I can flip any of the bit. Okay, so any of the bit, it doesn't matter. If I make this was just a second, this was earlier 1, let me make it to 0. If I make it to 0, what from here what I get? 0 XOR 0 is 0, 1 XOR 0 is 1, and 1 XOR 0 is 1. So I can get 1 at the last position, not index. What if I flip other bit of a number, not necessarily this number? If I flip this value, it is 1, and this was 1. Okay, so from here I get 1, from here I get 0, from here I get 1. So can we conclude, if at any position the bit of the XOR of this complete array and the bit of this k is different, then we have to just flip one bit from any of this number. Means that we have to perform only one operation at that position. So we can use this observation to solve our question. What I can do, after performing the XOR of all the element in the array, I can iterate over this result, and side by side I will be iterating over this k value. And if I found for the same position the bit value of both the values are different, then I can say I have to perform one operation to make them equal, so I can increment my answer by 1. My count variable, basically count will store the number of the flip that we need to make these both value equal. So I can flip this value, sorry, I can increment this value. And yeah, this was the all observation that you need to in order to solve this question. So let me just once again dry run to it. Let me compare the last position value. This is different, so the count value will be 1. Then we go to the next position. These two value are the same, so we don't increment the count value here. And then we check for this position. These values are different, so I increment my value, and this is our answer. So this was a pretty much straight question. And let me show you the code. First, I will perform the XOR of complete array. Then I will compare the both value for each position, and we know that the range of the value is for the integer, and at integer value lies between the range of the 2 raised to power 32. So we are comparing for only the 32 bits. So at each position we are checking what is the value of that bit for the k and for the sum. If the both value are different, then we know that we have to perform one flip operation here, and we will increment our count. And after checking for all the position, for all 32 position, simply return the value count. So let me run this run this code. Yeah, it is giving the right answer. Let me try to submit it. Yeah, it is getting accepted. So this was the whole question. Okay, so thank you everyone.